Creating your video for advertising with YouTube. Knowing how to create quality videos is crucial to achieving success through advertising. Creating good videos is key to obtaining more subscribers and viewers on YouTube. You'll have to look over a few key points before going through your advertising campaign. Review YouTube's advertising policies. First of all, make sure to review absolutely all of YouTube's advertising policies, terms of service, or any other community guidelines. It's very important for you to know how to be part of the YouTube community. Go to support.google.com/adwords/answer/2679940 to view very important technical guidelines, as well as additional requirements for using the TrueView ad format. In the technical requirements, we find out that instream ads appear on YouTube videos and on video partner sites and apps on the GDN. For video options, it is advised to use a video less than 3 minutes in length. For the image option, use a 300 by 60 pixel image. Ad text limits are not applicable here, and for click destination, you can add your website. For video discovery ads, it says they appear on YouTube-related video search results pages. The video opens on a YouTube Watch or channel page, and on video partner sites and apps on the GDN. For video options, any length is acceptable. For the image option, you can choose from 4 thumbnails. For ad text limits, 100 characters is the maximum for headlines. 35 characters is the maximum for each description, and clicks on your video thumbnail go to your video. Clicks on CTA overlays go to your website. We advise you take a look at all the information mentioned in this page. Review Google AdWords policies. The rules that apply to text ads generally apply to TrueView video ads too. We advise you also read the Google AdWords policies. If you go to support.google.com/AdWords policy, you'll find all you need to know about those advertising policies as well. The policies are subdivided by prohibited content, which is content you can't advertise on the Google network; prohibited practices, which are things you can't do if you want to advertise with them; restricted content is content you can advertise but with limitations; and editorial and technical are the quality standards for the ads, websites, and apps. There are 4 popular ad formats advised by YouTube that can work for your business, no matter how you create your video. Introduce your business. There are some topics and questions you can use when introducing your business. First of all, you can talk about who you are. You can start by introducing yourself and your business. This will help people put a name to a face and make it easier for them to relate to you. Questions you can use to give this information can be: what motivated you to start your business? What kind of expertise do you have? And how can you make your story more personal? Then you can let people know what you can do for them. Here you can put your passion into action. Tell them what you do better or differently, and you'll give them a powerful reason to choose your business over others. Questions you can use to give this information can be: what do people love most about your business? How do you go the extra mile? And what gives your business an edge over others? Finally, you'll give people a way to contact you. It is vital to let people know how they can find you. You can include things like your email, phone number, street address, YouTube channel, and company website. Highlight your product. For highlighting your product, here are some topics and questions you can use. First, you must give people an overview of your product or service. Breaking down your product or service is a great way to help people see all the work you put into it. Questions you can use to give this information can be: what is your product or service? How does your product or service work? And does your product or service have any special features? You can even talk about what makes your product or service stand out from the crowd. Show what your offer can do that others can't. Show them what elements make your product unique that could help people become interested in it. Questions you can use to give this information can be: how does your business make people's lives better? How do you make a lasting impression? And what part of your business makes it different than others? Finally, show people where they can learn more about your product. It is vital to let people know where they can get more info. You can include things like your email, phone number, street address, YouTube channel, and company website. Create promotions. For creating a promotion, the first thing you want to do is grab people's interest. Excitement is key in your promotion. Questions you can use to give this information can be: What is your promotion's main draw? What about your promotion will surprise people? And what makes your promotion an exclusive event? You can then fill people in on the details. Let people know why they're getting excited. Make it clear so it will be easier for them to remember. Questions you can use to give this information can be, when does your promotion begin and end? Are there exceptions people should know about? And is there a special reason you're having this promotion? Finally, let people know how they can participate by giving them all necessary information. Educate your customers. Educating your customers about your business is a really fun way to engage your audience. First of all, you need to build trust. Introductions are key for this. People will be more interested in what you have to say when they feel like they know you. Questions you can use to give this information can be, what experiences or training do you have? Are you proud of your track record? And do you have fans that love talking about you? Then, give people a 101 on what you do. A crash course on your product or service is a great way to show people what kind of benefit you provide. Questions you can use to give this information can be, would it help to show your product or service in action? Can you simplify parts of your business? And can you provide follow-up advice and tips? Now, you know what to do, so let people know where they can get more information. You just saw 4 different awesome examples for creating your video. Once you are done with it, you'll need to upload it. Once you are logged in, simply click on Upload and select your video file to upload. Double-click on it, and while uploading, you can add the title, description, and tags. Finally, click on Publish, and the upload will continue by itself.